Here's the new HDZero VRX. The color is different than the retail version, but it's the same mold. The thing I'm pretty impressed about with this so far is that it's quiet. Here, I'll turn it on. So the fan is bigger, moves more air, but it's also quieter. So that's pretty cool. And on the bottom we have an SD card slot that's not blocked by the HDMI cord. And then there's the Express LRS backpack port, which is unfortunately covered by the HDMI. And then we have the firmware update port. So moving on to the Lite VTX. This thing is so thin and light. I'm very impressed. It also uses a different connector for the firmware update. It's using the old joystick connector size, so it's smaller and uses up less Z height and weight and everything. And it also comes with this long firmware update cable in the box, which is pretty cool. There you can see this is what it looks like without the protective shield over top of it. On the antenna, what you do is you place the antenna on the UFL, and then you'd put a zip tie or a piece of like dental rubber band around this UFL to keep it in place. And then for the MIPI, there is not a built-in retention mechanism, but it would be possible to kind of span something from the mount here over to the mount here. So that's the idea. Wow, this thing is just really dense and very light. Very cool. And last but not least, this is the Lite camera. Incredibly light. I can't believe it. Wow. Very, very thin, very light. Really, really small lens. And with 4x3. This thing is pretty exciting.